appreciate all those who took their time to watch my very first YouTube video and who took their time to provide a detailed critique of the video. Very grateful, and I have made some corrections which you will notice moving forward. For those who didn't watch my very first video, you can find it here. Now let's move to today's lesson. Today's lesson is why C programming. To answer this question, there are some things that you need to think about, such as why exactly are you learning the language and what do you need it for. You also need to think about what our performance expectation is in terms of speed and what is out there in terms of documentation, because there are times when you run into errors and you will need assistance overcoming these errors. Programming languages with poor documentation can be very difficult to overcome, but when the documentation out there is very good, it's very easy to overcome this roadblock, which is the case for C language. We need to look at our design point or specification if we are using it for product design. C language is the closest thing to assembly language and is usually applied in the design of operating systems, embedded systems, and high-performance software applications. The execution speed of C language is one of the best out there. It is widely applicable and it is well documented. With this being said, you can say that you can use C language to do a lot of real-world projects, as well as get the needed help that you need when you run into problems. Finally, C language lets you design for hardware easily. We can now delve into this course having learned the basics. See you in the next video. Bye for now.